Yo, so what's up everybody? In today's video I'm back with another video and I'm gonna be raiding in Dahood with Celex, and Roblox just updated and Celex is already up to date. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna be showcasing Celex and I'm gonna be showing y'all what you can do with it, and I'm gonna be showing y'all that it works after the Hyperion 4.0 update. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. So just before I get started with the video, to purchase Celex today, you want to go to our website, celex.gg. Once you're here, you want to click purchase. When you click purchase, you want to click Celex external. Once you're here, you want to click continue. I agree, and put the email. So this email that you're putting here, that's the email that when you purchase, your key is gonna arrive there. So make sure you have access to that email, and you could fully check. So, and to purchase, well, not purchase, to redeem your key today, to use Celex, once you have gotten your key from buying it, you want to go to Celex RBLX, and once you're there, so once you're in our server, verify, and after you verify, you want to go here. So once you're here, do /create, put the key you got in your email, put a username you'll remember, so as an example this, and put a password you'll remember too. Now if you forget your password, we could reset it for you as well for your harder ID, but we cannot reset your username, so that's on you if you forget. And if you get termed, we can't, we can't do nothing about it. But yeah, so once you do that, boom, it's gonna say you haven't successfully whitelisted, and then do /get role. And just for you guys, for the closet cheaters who just wants to join the Discord to get the download, so after you register and you do /create, your Discord will always be like in our server. So you could leave the server and you could still get access just joining back and doing /get role. So once you're here, you want to go to little baby. Where's little baby at? Chat. All right, you want to go to little baby and you want to download the most recent version. So let's, for example, this is it. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to re-download it. But so once you have it installed, I'm going to close Roblox real quick. I had to restart my recording because I showed something I wasn't supposed to. But so once you're here, this is the file. You want to click release. Make sure you read this after you're done reading. Just follow my steps. Open map. Make sure you have all your antiviruses disabled and no anti-cheats running that could block it. So once you're here, you want to run this as admin. Give it a second. So once that's done, you want to go to main, open loader, boom, wait for the little loading screen. So once your loader popped up, the username and the password you put when you're registering, that's what you're going to use. So once you click sign in, it should say authenticating. If it says authentication failed, that means your password or your harder ID is incorrect, or your username, either one of the, most of the times it's harder ID or password. So once you're here in load, you actually want to close it. And now you want to join whatever game that you want to, use Celex on. So just give it a second. So once you're here, go back, main, and then just run cheat from here. But I'm gonna wait till I'm fully loaded in. So boom, run cheat, and there you go. I had to restart my recording because my username showed, but as you guys see, it loaded. So once it's here, let me show y'all. Show FOV. I'm gonna change this music because I know none of y'all are Mexican, bro. So y'all won't understand. Let me see. All right, so we got a whole bunch of stuff, bro. I'm not really gonna go through them. You could buy this yourself and check it out yourself. We got color picker for name. Boom. We got color pickers for everything. We got name, box, 2D, corner, health bar, health value, armor bar. This isn't currently working at the moment, but it will be working soon. So we got traces too, bottom, top, snap lines, visualize prediction. You can see where they're walking, and prediction dot. At the moment, visualize prediction is broken. As you can see, there's like a random it's just weird, but we're fixing that too. And prediction dot, you could see where they're walking, pretty much, and head dot, and box fill obviously. So for aimbot, we got camera and mouse. So I'm gonna just show y'all. protection. You can see it works perfectly fine. So, yep, let's just get right into rating. I'm gonna use this colors. I'm gonna just use, yeah, it should be cool. Name, boxes. I'm gonna do like red. I'm gonna do what should I do? Like a nah, green is low-key ugly. Purple red, that's so ugly, but you know, you gotta make whatever, you gotta make it work. Purple. So now for the config, I currently don't have a config, so we're gonna be making one. We'll just use that one that I put. Boom. And sticky aim. And yeah, let's just get to rating, bro. Boom. Okay, well I forgot to put it on humanoid, so give me 1 second, chat. There you go. I honestly do not know how much ping I'm on, bro, so depending on how much ping I'm on, it depends how much I'm gonna tap, bro. And if you guys really want to hit a lot of shots, make sure to use humanoid, bro. You are not gonna tap using head. I'm just letting y'all know. My macro is so bad, bro. I cannot. This is so bad, bro. What is wrong with my walk, bro? Oh, we gotta. He's gonna run. Oh, we got all these random people shooting me. Well, that's good. We got people to fight now. Honestly, bro, I do not have a config right now, so we're just gonna have to configure, you know? But if you guys join our Discord and you guys go to clips, there's a lot of people selling configs. There's, even if you look at my old videos, I mean, you can just take my config off of there. I usually don't save my configs usually, so I just be making some during the video. But yeah, in my last video or the last two, if you want to go get those configs, they're pretty good. So yeah. Anyways, about the executor, we already have the injector done, including many more. So that'll be coming out very soon too. But yeah, everything's going good. As of for the internal, at the moment we're gonna release another base for Celex, like the external, and that'll be pretty soon, most likely like next update, I believe. We'll release another base, maybe in the next two. And that one's gonna have more features, more optimizations, and just a way better base in general. My bad, bro. I'm low-key sick, so don't mind, bro. And just like that, bro. Boom. On their screen, it looks really blatant, but I mean, if I up the smoothness a little bit, I could probably make it look legit. And with this, like, you could go legit, you could go blatant, semi-blatant, like, you could do anything with this, bro. Look, show y'all, see the smoothness. Boom. But as of right now, I'm not gonna be going legit, I'm gonna be going blatant. Alright, can I get in? So, let's see. Let's see, bro. Boom. As you can see, bro, I'm hitting like every single shot, bro, so you can see it's pretty good. And my macro is horrible, so I'm probably not gonna be able to macro views, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, I got no revenue. Well, that's good. We got more people to fight. Let's see. If I had red, bro, it'd probably be different, but, you know, I might help that kid, that cure kid, because, I mean, it's a 2v. It's not even 2 of them, bro. It's a lot more. And you know what I mean? Like, why not, bro? But as you can see, bro, I'm hitting, like, every single shot, bro. Give me a second, chat. Hold on. Alright, we're good. We need red, bro. We need red, bro. Hold on, bro. I need some water. I'm sick, bro. But let's just get back to rating, bro, because why not? I need red, bro, but they're all there. Holy shit. I know I just scared the shit out of them. As you can see, though, bro, I'm tapping, bro. Okay, I'm not tapping. I'm not tapping, bro. Yeah, bro. It's not going so good. It is not going so good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see, bro. Oh. Not gonna lie, bro. The config was not tapping, bro. But I mean, it's a good thing, you know, so it's not that blatant. I mean, I do like to hit all my shots, but as of right now, I'm trying to make them not log, bro. Because if I go to my old sets, or if I, you know, go to my other video and I use those sets, I'm not going to miss any shots, bro. And I'm trying to, you know, fight. Show y'all that it works good. We're going to get food and the red. We'll probably hella CBs because, I mean, why not? Let's see. Holy shit, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Like, that's what I mean by tapping, bro. Just like that, bro. Not gonna lie, bro. I'm ahead of CB, so give me a second. Boom. There you go. Now we just need to get rev. But bro, as you can see, it's very easy to use. It takes 5 minutes to set it up, and you know, to get it like, just to get a simple config and everything working, bro, max 5 minutes. It does not take that long, bro. And as you can see, bro, it's not having any errors. ESP isn't laggy at all. Look at that, bro. No lag once in a while, bro. And this supports other games, Fallen, any other type of game, you know, fake Dahood games. And yeah, it supports many games, and I know most of those games, like, people closet cheat on them. But yeah. Alright, well, I don't even know how I just died, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. This macro, I cannot do anything with it, bro. This shit is like, I mean, at the moment, bro, it's just not fast, bro. and he just wants to have me too. But I mean, you know, it is what it is, bro. It really is. But I hope y'all been doing good, bro. This is like the first recording I've actually done within the month. I know recently, bro, I've been recording like every once in a month or twice, but I really just have not been on, bro. Like, I really just have not. So I'm gonna try recording more frequently, for real. I know I say it's like every video, but dead ass, like at least every 3 or 2 weeks. I'm probably dead, bro, because this kid's playing scary, bro. And I got like 4 kids on me. Oh, including the person who don't even got a gender, bro. That's crazy. Damn, bro, it's like 5 of them. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm gonna give it one more shot with the DB and tack and rev. And once I die, I'm pulling out the AK, bro, because I'm not trying to, you know. And especially with this macro too, bro. Oh yeah, good. I really got like nothing, bro, so fuck out of here. Yeah, bro, since they want to use flame, bro, I'm gonna use my gun too, bro. They want to abuse and not play. All right, we could do that, bro. We could definitely do that. Bro. Oh yeah, bro. Nice. The macro is just not like, bro. That's what I'm talking about, bro. It just stops working. That's crazy, bro. This bitch ass macro literally just stopped mid fight. Oh yeah. I mean, bro, they have flame, bro. What are they crying about? Like, you know? Damn. No one cares, bro. It's a video game, bro. Come on. Do better, bro.
I've literally just been saying no. Why they banned me? Oh god, no.
What?
Oh my god.
I need to get armed, bro. Bro, like, can you stop, bro? No one cares, bro. You don't do it enough. All these people are about to be right here, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. They log, bro.
Goodness, bro. He's locking, bro. He's locking.
Nobody's locking, bro.
Let's go stomp this little bro.
Bro, do not stop me, bro. Do not stop me, bro.
Yeah. Where's that Barbie at, bro? I'm not playing. Chubby Dempsey. You wanna jack like you, what, bro? I don't even know who this kid is, bro, but if he needs the help, he needs the help, bro. Oh, yeah, bro, he clutched, bro. I mean, I don't know why he killed me in the first place, but... Yo, he actually just... Bro, he better get away, bro. Oh, no, we're dead. We're dead, bro. Nah, no way. Fuck. They saw us, bro. What is he doing? Alright, it don't matter, bro. You know what? Now it's time to get AK, bro. Because they want to play weird, bro. They want to play weird. We can show them weird, bro. It's not that deep, bro. But, I mean, I'm going to be ending the video in like 7 minutes. So, these 7 minutes is just going to be me not letting them get a chance. Oh yeah, come over here. Come over here, bro. Yo, this macro is actually horrible. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come over here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Bro, I cannot do anything, bro. This macro is horrible, bro. W log, nobody logged. Well, we're dead because we got a random coming here, but it is what it is, bro. Bro, if I have a good working macro, bro, I could actually do something, bro. But I cannot even macro, bro. Like, damn. I can't even fucking walk with the AK. Let me see. Like, this is what I'm talking about, bro. The macro's horrible. Damn, bro. I did not think it was that bad. Oh yeah, he messed up, bro. Boom. Maybe next video, bro, I'll have a better macro. Maybe, bro. Hold on, give me a second.
Pizza.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Nueva Francia, finas de Axe, son un lujo.
Let's see, bro. Ready, chat? I'm about to go crazy, bro. Let's go. She messed up, bro. Wasn't even gonna count, bro. Yo, this macro is horrible, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Alright, bro. When I die, bro, this video ends. Our chat. Where they at, bro? Didn't I kill this girl, bro?
Yo, stop! She's iPad, you stupid. Stupid head.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Oh my god, he's on freaking great. Yeah, he already stopped.
It makes you think I care somebody's on iPad. It's your fault. Let's see, bro. I hope he's not trying to shoot me, bro. I'm gonna slam him. Boom. That's the kid I'm killing right there. Just like that, bro. That girl's dead too, bro. She messed up trying to come back and save him. As you can see, bro, tabs. Oh my gosh, bro.
Yo, stop me if you like boys.
Bro, I do not like boys, bro. She said that at last minute. Next song, bro. When I die, bro, video ends, bro. And that person looks like they're about to kill me, bro. And as you can see, bro, Celex is gonna win. Cause it's, oh, never mind, he's gonna run away. He is gonna run away, bro. Why are you running away, bro? Oh my gosh, bro. Yo. Oh my gosh. There's no way, bro. Alright, bro. I don't even care. Oh, perfect. I still got my sound, bro. I have ESP, bro. I'm gonna catch him right now. Watch. I have ESP, bro. I'm gonna catch him right now. I don't even know where they're at, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Probably not gonna catch them.
Yo, last word! Last word!
Last word what?
Wait, last word! Last word! Last word!
Well, that is that, bro. Alright, bro. Get it. Up it. Alright, bro, we can up it, bro, but I need a better macro, bro. I cannot up anything with this, bro. I'm not finna log it, bro. I'm gonna fight this kid and I'm gonna get the last song, bro, cause Yeah, bro. I'm not. I ain't doing this, bro. Let me see, bro. 4. Actually, if I do, how do I, bro? I don't know how to use Logitech, bro. It'd be so complicated. Give me a second. Scroll up, delay, 3, system, mouse, scroll down, boom. Alright, bet, bro. Let's see this macro's better. Why you calling me 3 times? Boom. Oh, yeah, we got a better macro now, bro. It's over, bro. It's over. That kid's not killing me. Where's he at, bro? We got a way better macro now, bro. Alright, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He got off, bro. I need to get off. How am I shooting him, bro? Damn, bro. Sucks. He wouldn't not, bro. He wouldn't have even killed me. What is he talking about, bro? Like, what? He hit me once. I would have been just low. I would have not been dead, though. You know what, bro? I'm gonna put a name on. Okay, that's his name right there. That's his name right there. And, bro, I don't even know, bro, if he's using Celex or not, but it is what it is, bro. I mean, low-key, he's tapping me, but he's probably using a script. And, yeah, bro, again, progress on the executor, bro, is coming real soon, bro. Trust. When it comes out, it's going to be the best. All those little shitty executors, this lore one, I mean, it's an executor, bro. Don't get me wrong. An executor's an executor, but it's not the best, you know? So when Celex comes out, I'm gonna make sure it supports everything. And, yeah, you know? Boom.
How is that possible?
Got me while sneak. That isn't my fault, bro. Bro, what is this kid doing, bro?
Stop meowing.
Boom. Bro, kid sounds like a baby. Let me see, bro. Bro, people are mad weird on this game, bro. Like, who does that? Well, I'm gonna kill him, chat, and I think I'm gonna end the video because, you know, I'm bored. Last word, bro. Alright, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video of me rating and showcasing Celex. My next video, hopefully I'll showcase the executor again, and by then it'll be released. But I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I'll be uploading more frequently. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you know, come by Celex today, Celex.gg, and the Discord is Celex. And yeah, bro, come purchase today. Peace out.